go in the jacuzzi.
It's really cool.
God, it's altitude.
Oh.
Puffing. Let's keep going.
Teeny.
Touch the water. Where's that Instagram girl? We're basically not moving. Wait, we're just doing a recce. Do you see any critters?
Yeah. Still says 2 degrees. Feels cold.
Why are you walking like a penguin? That's how Owen walks.
Corner of deck. Can we get past the boats back here or not?
Don't think so. Why are they cleaning everything? I guess you got to keep them busy.
Yeah. They
Do you-
don't even have jackets.
Do you think they clean it every day, or it's just
Yeah.
like...
Should we double check? I don't think you can, right?
Let's see. I'm doing my tour. No, remember there were stairs. Sort of fresh. My guy who was blow drying my stuff was like, it's not even cold. It's colder in my village. Do you want to go down and just do one lap? Just do, yeah, in China. I'm like, China? Ooh. Let's do one lap here. That guy's got shorts on. OMG. They're looking for it in their binocs. Should we go in the hot tub?
Yeah.
Quick, jump in there, I'll take your picture.
I think I'd rather go to the land and then come back. Because if I had to get under us now and get wet.
Just have a shower and start again. I don't know about doing that walking in the rain. What do you think?
Yeah, well now it's
The guides are in there showing us animals. I'm gonna be whale.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
2.
Can they see them?
There's a girl downstairs with a binocular. Do you reckon they go faster than the boat? There's people down there taking pictures.
I thought your spotting eyes were retired.
Yeah. Uh-oh. whales to the right.
Very good morning again. We have good news. We have some whales on the bow of the ship.
Quick bow.
If you are done and finished
bow.
with your biosecurity and you want to join the expedition team, they are on the observation lounge, in the bow, observation lounge. So if you want to go outside and check for the wildlife,
Wait,
please join
down.
the expedition team.
Is it?
Thank you.
The bow expedition. Let me in, you little bitch. They. Oh my god. Quick. Are you nervous? Are you nervous?
You want to go to the ship station
Don't you just want to do a loop and see what there is?
for food or outside?
Just outside. Hello.
Iceberg over there. Okay, the only thing I'm going to say to you is we are certainly going to freeze out.
Probably right outside our window as well. Wait, there's already people down there.
They go to do a recce first and then. Look, the sun's coming out.
No, what? Didn't take a photo.
Where's the driver? Oh, he drives from the middle, does he?
Do you know what I want to see?
What?
A critter. Gosh, it's freezing.
Yeah, let's go and start dressing up more.
What are you gonna wear?
Extra layers.
I would like to say another. Quick, it's going. Simon will like this.
Simon.
Simon. I need to walk backwards. Right, I am excited for that. Let's see if we can get in it.
Keeps the chips there and then does it later.
Maybe.